Hello everyone, welcome to the channel CADCAM. Today we are going to work on the exercise number 7. So this is the exercise number 7. So let's get started. Go to the new page, select the part design, OK. So according to the design, we have to select the plane. So let's select right plane, normal. Let's take the diagram you can get it in the description box. So firstly we'll take the circle of diameter 50, and then we'll go to feature, extrude base boss, and then we'll extrude to 20 length. Then we'll go to the fillet of radius 5 and select this face. Here, okay. And select this face, normal. Go to sketch, circle of diameter 30. Again go to feature, extrude base boss, extrude the same length 20. Okay. Now let's create a plane with the reference of front plane. We'll take the reference to the front plane at a distance of 30. Okay. Normal. Now let's take a circle. Circle of diameter 300. Okay. And the distance from the center point to the edge of this cylinder is 90. And let's create a point over the circle to give the dimension. Right from here to this edge we have the distance of 60 mm. Let's take a line, draw it vertically and make sure it is vertical. Yes, okay. Let's take a line drawing collinear with this edge. And make coincidence with this circle. Select this line, select this edge, make collinear. Let's join these both lines with another line. Okay. And the distance of this line to this edge is 190. Okay, let's create 2 points on this line. One is at a distance of 60 and other one is again 60. 60 from here to here, 60. Okay, let's create another circle, collinear with this point. having a diameter of 200. And let's make coincident with this point. Make coincident. Select the circle. Select this point. Select the circle. Select this point. Make coincident. Okay. So now let's remove the unwanted lines, arcs, and finally we're left with the right profile. Yes, okay. Now let's go to exit sketch, and here select the 3D sketch over there. Otherwise let's go to exit the sketch, select another plane, reference of plane 1, flip the direction, having it a distance of 60 mm. Okay, now let's convert entities. Select this plane, sketch, select this profile, the whole profile, and again click the convert entities, so that we need to get another line there. Okay, convert entities. Okay. Okay, now let's exit from the sketch, go to 3D sketch. Now let's take an arc, press the tab to change the coordinate axis. Okay, now this arc is of a radius 60. Okay, now let's exit from the sketch, go to feature, swept base boss. Now the path was already selected, that is sketch number 2, and the profile we need to select is this. Keep normal constant. Okay, and then we'll hide the plane. Now let's create this provision over there. Now let's select the top plane, normal, select line, center line, let's give the dimension of 80 and the angle of 30 degrees, sorry, 15 degrees. Now we'll mirror this line to other side. Yes, okay. Now let's extrude cut this profile in the both directions. Uncheck the spin feature. Selected contours. Select the profile. In the direction 2, this is the same through all. Select through all in the both the directions. Okay. Yes, now we are done with the model creation. Let's apply the material now. Go to appearances and plastic, high gloss. Let's take blue. Okay. So with this we completed the exercise number 7. I hope you would like this video. Thank you.